Hi all, welcome to the startuplanes.com. For today's interview, we have Mr. Parag Agarwal, CEO and the founder of Fiona Diamonds. Fiona Diamonds is an online jewelry brand most notably known for its exquisite solitaire collection. It was founded in the year 2004 by the two founders for a passion for genuine gemstones and a vision to change the online jewelry game. Brilliant and beautiful diamonds and gemstones are at the heart of their brand. Their products feature natural diamond, lab-grown diamond, and moissanite jewelry. They work exclusively with authentic and ethical stones, and customers appreciate them for that. So let's get ahead with his interview. Hello, I'm Nitika Agarwal, a community manager at Startup Lanes, and today we have Mr. Parag Agarwal for the interview. I welcome you, sir, for the interview. Could you please introduce yourself to the viewers?
Yeah, sure. So this is Parag Agarwal, CEO and co-founder for Fiona Diamonds.
How did you come up with the idea of your startup?
Well, so after completing my bachelor's in engineering, I did not want to do a job. So I began exploring options for testing equipments in the diamond industry. And I came across these diamond testers which could differentiate between a moissanite and a natural diamond. So while I was selling these testers, I got the idea that why not create a brand of jewelry, because there were people amazed of what moissanite is, which introduced us to lab-grown diamonds and which are currently disrupting the diamond industry worldwide.
What was the most difficult part in the early stages of the company's growth?
Well, awareness was the biggest challenge because people did not know that something like this existed. So convincing people for something which they've never seen was a challenge. And why to explain to them why it was not done by anyone else was again a challenge.
What was the gap in the market that you identified?
We figured out that no one else in the entire industry was doing moissanite jewelry, and it was already popular in the US market. So we decided to leverage the gap and introduce these beautiful jewels to the Indian public.
Can you explain your business model?
Sure. So our business model has evolved a lot over the past few years, and especially after COVID, because we have completely transformed into a digital brand, and it's a digital jewelry brand where content is a king. So the main focus is acquiring leads from the end market audience and pushing them down to the lead funnel. So no brand does customization for engagement rings like the way we do. So which is a game changer.
What are the products and the services that you offer?
Well, we pride ourselves to be a one-stop destination for all your jewelry needs, be lab-grown diamonds or natural diamonds or moissanite. We do it all under one roof, and customization, of course, is a USP.
Who are your target customers?
Anyone who's looking for a value purchase in jewelry, and especially solitaires. And of course, bridal is our main focus. Our primary focus is bridal.
Why do your customers choose your products and the services, and why do they order it again?
Okay, so you need to understand that jewelry is a business of trust, and people will come to you only if you honor their trust and give them products which is of value. So being a jeweler to people is like being their family doctor. So once you acquire the customer, depending on their product and policy, they keep coming back to you, and so that never changes.
What are the 3 unique things about you that make you better than your competitors?
There's a list of things, but since you said 3, the top 3 would be we are one-stop destination for all 3 products: lab-grown, natural, and moissanites. And customization again is like no other brand is doing it. And of course, our unique designs.
Where and how do you retail?
We retail from our online website and from our 3 stores: Bombay, Bangalore, and Delhi.
Do you believe Indians are receptive to lab-grown diamonds or moissanite jewelry, or has it been difficult to break into the market?
Yes, it's all about timing and awareness. Timing means that the customer should be aware that such things exist at the time of their purchase. For example, if you're looking for a diamond and if you're introduced to something like this, you would be thrilled to know that you're saving your money. So our designs, pricing, and policies what rules it.
Why should a job applicant work with you?
We strongly believe that power of a happy and satisfied employee, and we ensure that they love and enjoy their work. Besides, working with us will also present them with tremendous opportunity for growth.
Okay, if it wasn't your company, what would you be doing right now?
Maybe coding in the US and waiting for my green card.
On which parameter do you select your vendors and supplier? Price, quality, or the convenience?
While selecting the right vendor, there are many things important, but for our business, we put major focus on relationship, pricing, and convenience.
What are your short-term and long-term plans for the startup? What are your future prospects?
So going forward, I strive to make Fiona Diamonds a global brand.
Are you raising any external funds or willing to raise in near future?
Well, not really. Like we never think in that direction, but maybe if the right strategic partner or investor comes in, we could give a thought about it.
Okay, so last question. What is your feedback on Startup Lanes?
I believe it's a great platform to promote young and emerging startups and entrepreneurs.
Okay, sir, thank you so much for taking out time and having with us. It was great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nikita.